Welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor channel. I'm very excited to be participating with these talented ladies in the Mother's Day Tablescape collab hosted by Monet Collections and Pam Diamond76 Home Decor on a Budget. I'd like to start by saying that my tablescape is in silver and all the items are handcrafted. The tablescape is going to be set for my mother and I. I will start with the silver chargers. The center is gathered with clear crystal gems and the placemat is white with a silvery finish. The plates are black with the silverware wrapped in a white napkin and tied with a black ribbon. Then moving forward over to the wine glasses, which are embellished with a black glittery finish and rose mesh. The goblets, which are drinking glasses, are embedded with clear gems from the very top to the very bottom. Then moving over to a clear flat candle holders, white candles and diamond scatter. Moving to this grand candelabra made with a mirrored finish, silver beads and crystal gems, white candles, absolutely gorgeous. Here we have two small iridescent candle holders with white candles. For added decor, I have a marble vase with magnolias. Moving over to this crystal riser with a reminder of this lovely blessed area piece made with bling wrap and crystals. Now left is this tall, grand centerpiece. It showers us with magnolias and peony florals. Excellent for any celebration and accented with two small black votive candles. Guys, I thank you very much for inviting me to this collab with all of these beautiful women, and I wish everyone a beautiful Mother's Day, and I will see you guys in the next video.